Hey everybody, it's Mack from Rev Robotics, and we're here today to go over the process of pressing on either a pinion or a pulley onto your Neo 550 motor. So what you're going to need for this process is your Neo 550. You're also going to need whatever you're going to be pressing on to the output shaft. For us, we're going to be using the UltraPlanetary 550 Pinion. So that's going to be the object that we're going to press onto our output shaft. And then also you're going to need a tool to be able to help with the process of pressing your pinion, in this case, onto the Neo 550. For us, we're going to be using a 1-ton arbor press. One thing that you want to keep in mind when you're pressing anything onto the output shaft of any motor, but the Neo 550 in particular as well, is that you want to make sure that your output shaft is supported. The Neo 550 is an outrunner brushless motor, so the output shaft is actually supported right here through the back of the can. So being able to just set it up onto a device such as an arbor press will support the output shaft while you're pressing on the pinion. So let's end up getting that arbor press out and start going through the process of pressing a pinion onto our Neo 550. So what we're going to do is take our Neo 550 and put it into our arbor press. We're going to take the pinion itself and align it onto the output shaft. This is going to be a part of the delicate process as you bring down the arbor press itself to kind of press onto the pinion. You may need to adjust the motor a little bit to be able to get it all aligned up and making sure that you're pressing in square to the device. This takes a little bit of effort, as you can see, but once it gets pressed on, you are good to go and use your Neo 550. So with that, you'll end up having yourself a pinion pressed onto a Neo 550 for, in this case, use with the UltraPlanetary. But if you're using a press-on pulley or another press-on gear that could end up using within a gearbox or within an intake system, you're good to go ahead and get your Neo 550 mounted onto your mechanism and get ready for the competition. If you have any questions about this process or any of our Rev products, feel free to reach out to us, support@revrobotics.com. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you guys at the competition.